So you've probably been hearing all this buzz about making, real money with AI
It's like
agents.
it everywhere.
And maybe you're thinking, is this just another tech fantasy? Well, prepare to have that idea flip.
Because it's not fantasy. People are already doing this.
Exactly. We're talking significant income, like over $1,000 a day for some, consistent $2,000 a week for others.
And the really interesting part,
Yeah.
you don't need to be some coding wizard. You don't even really need to know what an AI agent is right now to get started.
Seriously, it's not just hype.
No, the barrier to entry has just dropped, like, massively. This isn't theory. It's a practical way to build a revenue stream, like right now.
Right. So for you listening, think of this deep dive as your shortcut, your fast track. We're going to unpack what these AI agents actually are. Then we'll walk you through building one step by step.
A practical one, something businesses actually need.
Yes. And then the crucial bit, how to take that thing you built and turn it into actual money by selling it to businesses.
Clear, actionable insights. That's the goal. No fluff.
No overwhelm. And I think, honestly, there are some things we'll cover that might genuinely surprise you.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. What is an AI agent? Because it's quite different from how most people use AI today.
Good point. Let's break that down. Most of us know tools like, say, ChatGPT, right?
Sure, very common.
You type a question, get an answer, type another prompt, guide it along. It's a back and forth. You're always driving.
Right, constant guidance. That's the key difference. An AI agent, it sort of eliminates that need.
How so?
Think of it less like a chatbot and more like a junior team member you can delegate a whole project to.
Okay.
You give it a high-level goal, and it figures out the steps needed to get there on its own. It can sort of think through problems.
So instead of me saying, okay, AI, this file's too big, now split it, now transcribe this bit, now put them back together.
Exactly. The agent would just see the big file and go, okay, needs splitting, transcribing, merging, done. No step-by-step from you.
Executes.
Precisely. And that autonomy, that makes them incredibly powerful for businesses.
I can see that. What kind of tasks are we talking about?
Oh, a huge range. Stuff that normally chews up tons of human time, like reading and analyzing customer reviews from all over the web, scanning websites for specific data points for reports, automatically drafting email replies, scheduling meetings, managing calendars, monitoring competitor websites for price changes, generating, say, weekly business intelligence reports, stuff owners want but rarely have time for.
That saves hours easily.
Hours upon hours. And it gets even more interesting because different agents can actually work together.
Like a team.
Exactly like a team. Imagine a customer service agent handling the first contact, passing it to a billing agent if needed, or maybe a tech support agent for tricky stuff.
All happening behind the scenes.
Yeah, communicating, collaborating like a human team, but, 24/7, tirelessly. It creates a seamless experience.
So this is the core opportunity then. It's like having this digital workforce that never sleeps, never takes breaks, handles loads of tasks at once.
An always-on team ready to go. It's a massive opportunity.
Okay, let's make this real. Let's actually build one right here, right now, conceptually.
Let's do it.
We'll create something with immediate, undeniable value. We'll call it a smart competitor analyzer.
Okay, I like it. What does it do?
It monitors competitor websites and sends detailed weekly reports straight to your client's email.
Ah, that's smart. Every business wants that intel.
Right. But who has the time to check 5 competitor sites every single day? Nobody.
The value proposition there is crystal clear. It's not a nice to have. It's critical info, automated. That's the hook.
So step 1 to make this happen, the platform. We've looked at a bunch. And honestly, Mind Studio is the way to go for beginners.
Why Mind Studio?
It's super user-friendly, no coding needed at all. And it's free to get started. You just need Google Chrome and their Chrome extension.
Okay. That extension lets the agent see websites.
Pretty much, yeah. It allows it to interact and read the page content. It really lowers that technical barrier.
Good. So less tech hassle, more focus on the actual job you want the agent to do.
Exactly. So once you've got that extension, you go into Mind Studio, find the build section, click Create New Agent. Simple.
And we're calling it
Smart Competitor Analyzer. Just for clarity.
Yeah.
Then you set the trigger. That's what kicks the agent into action.
Right. What tells it go time.
For testing, you'll pick browser extension. That means you click a button on a web page to start it manually.
Okay, manual first.
Yeah, but we'll change that later to a schedule, make it fully automatic.
Got it. Like programming its basic reflexes first.
Kinda, yeah. Now, the important part, the instructions, the agent's brain.
Okay, how do we do that without coding?
This is where you use AI to build AI. It's pretty cool. Open up ChatGPT in another tab and type in this exact prompt. I want to build an AI agent with Mind Studio to monitor competitors' websites, track changes in pricing and descriptions, and deliver a report to my inbox each week. Write me a detailed prompt to put into Mind Studio.
Huh. So you get ChatGPT to write the complex instructions for you.
Exactly. It's a massive shortcut. You don't need to be a prompt genius yourself.
That's clever. Leverage the AI.
So ChatGPT spits out this detailed prompt. You copy that whole thing,
Okay.
paste it straight into the instruction box in Mind Studio. Then, right at the very end, type 2 curly brackets,
Okay.
and a drop-down menu appears. Select page content
Yeah.
that tells the agent, hey, focus on the stuff on this web page.
Got it. Analyze what's on the page.
Then output settings. For now, set it to display to user and format as text. We'll change this later too.
And the AI model, does that matter?
Yeah, a bit. We recommend Claude 3.5 Haiku. It's fast, accurate enough for this, and really cost-effective. Keeps potential running costs low.
Good tip. Speed and cost matter.
Okay, agent's brain is set. Now for the fun part, testing.
Seeing it actually work, the aha moment.
Totally. Go to any business website, a local restaurant, mechanic, gym, whatever. Click the Mind Studio icon in your browser.
The extension we installed earlier.
Yep. Select your smart competitor analyzer.
Yeah.
And just watch.
What happens then?
In moments, it'll read the site, figure out who the competitors likely are, go look at their sites, compare offerings, pricing, how they talk about themselves. And then it generates this detailed report. Actionable insights tailored to the business whose site you started on.
And this takes minutes.
Literally minutes. But the report it spits out, that would take a business owner hours to do manually.
That's the surprising power.
Yeah.
Cutting down maybe 20 hours of research a month. That's not just saving money, it's creating time.
It really is impressive when you see it. Okay, but we need it fully automated for the client, right? Hands off.
Right. Set and forget.
So back into Mind Studio settings, change the output from display to user to save to variable. Call the variable something like competitor analysis. Then add an email block.
Ah, so it emails the report.
Exactly. Put your client's email address in there. Give it a clear subject like weekly competitor analysis report.
Nice. Consistent delivery. They just get the insights.
Now the final automation step, the schedule. Go back to the trigger setting.
Change it from browser extension
To scheduled. Click add, set your schedule, like every Monday at 9 a.m., click generate schedule.
Okay, almost there.
One crucial last bit. You need to add a scrape URL block right before the instructions block.
What's that for?
That tells the agent which specific websites to visit automatically each week. It's like giving it the list of addresses. Makes it truly hands-off.
Got it. Tells it where to go look.
Once that's all set, you hit publish.
Yeah.
And boom, congratulations. You've built a fully automated AI agent ready to deliver value.
Which brings us to the big question. You've built this amazing tool. How do you actually turn it into, money, consistent income?
Yeah, that's the million-dollar question, or maybe the $2,000 a week question. Building it is step one. Selling the service is where the real business is.
Selling it to businesses who desperately need this but don't have the time or, frankly, the know-how.
Exactly. Your ideal customers. Pretty much any local business that has direct competitors, which is most of them.
Oh, absolutely. The potential market is huge.
Think about it. Your local restaurant. They need to know if the place across the street just launched a new menu or a 2-for-1 deal.
Or a dentist. Are competitors offering cheaper whitening? Are patient reviews trending up or down?
Auto repair shops? What are others charging for an oil change? Gyms, membership prices, new classes, real estate agents, competitor listings, marketing tactics.
These owners are usually swamped just running the day-to-day. They don't have hours for this kind of deep dive research.
Which is where your AI agent becomes their secret weapon. Valuable intel, zero extra work for them, a clear ROI.
Okay, so pricing. That's always tricky. What's reasonable here?
Based on the value, easily $200 to $500 a month. Small businesses will pay for this. Here's a simple structure you could start with.
Lay it out.
Basic package, maybe $200 a month. Weekly reports on, say, 3 to 5 competitors.
All right.
Standard package, $350 a month. Let's say bi-weekly reports, but on 5 to 8 competitors, plus maybe a monthly summary of trends.
Adding more value.
Premium package, $500 a month. Detailed weekly reports, maybe 8-10 competitors, trend analysis, and maybe even custom alerts if something big changes.
That tiered approach makes sense. Different needs, different budgets.
And think about the numbers. Just 10 clients on that standard $350 package. That's $3,500 a month.
Which is around $875 a week.
Nice. Get 20 clients? Now you're at $7,000 a month. That's well over that $2,000 weekly target we talked about initially.
The scalability is definitely there, but first, you need sales materials.
Crucial. And your best friend here is a simple demo video. Use Loom, it's free, records your screen.
Let's do the video show.
Show the agent working, analyzing a site. Show the clean, professional report it generates. Emphasize the time saved. Show the automatic email part. Make it visual, tangible.
Seeing is believing. It builds trust instantly. Way better than just describing it.
Okay, armed with your demo, how do you find those first clients? Method 1, Facebook ads.
Targeted locally.
Super targeted. Zip codes, business owner interests, a simple ad. Local business owners get weekly competitor intel fully automated. See how linked to demo. Start small, $10, $20 a day, maybe within a 25-mile radius.
What's another approach? Maybe less ad spend focused.
Direct email outreach, personalized. Find local businesses, get the owner's name if possible.
What kind of email actually gets opened, though?
Keep it short, direct, value-focused. Something like, hi owner name, saw your type of business. Quick thought, I built an automated system that tracks your competitors' weekly prices, services reviews, and emails you a report. Saves hours. Most owners love the idea but lack the time. This does it automatically. Quick 3-min demo here, link. Interested in a free sample report for your biz? Best. Your name.
That's direct. Offers value immediately with the sample report idea. I like it.
Method 3, good old-fashioned networking, if you're comfortable with it.
Local Chamber of Commerce events. Business groups.
Exactly. But key tip, don't go in selling hard immediately.
Right. Build a rapport first.
Yeah. Offer value. Hey, I've been playing with a new AI tool that tracks local competitors. I'd love to show you what I found about yours this week. Can I send you a quick sample report by Friday?
Again, leading with value. Free sample. Smart.
Once someone shows interest, offer a free 2-week trial. Let them experience the reports arriving automatically.
Let the value sell itself.
Precisely. Then on your follow-up call or email. So over the last 2 weeks, you got reports that probably saved you, 3-4 hours of manual digging. At your hourly rate, the service basically pays for itself in time savings, right? Not even counting the competitive edge.
Framing it as an investment, not just another bill. Highlighting that ROI.
Makes the decision much easier for them. Okay, so you've landed a few clients, things are working. Now what? Time to think bigger.
Scaling up. Moving from a side hustle to a real business.
Yes. This is where you build serious, sustainable income.
How do you do that? Just find more clients for the same service.
That's part of it, but also expand your menu. Ask ChatGPT again. Give me more ideas for AI agents I can sell to small businesses using Mind Studio.
Back to the AI for ideas. What kind of things might it suggest?
Oh, loads. A customer review monitor pulls reviews from Google, Yelp, etc., alerts the owner. A social media analyzer tracks competitor social activity. A price change tracker for specific products.
Okay, those are useful.
A content idea generator based on industry trends. A lead qualification agent for website forms. An appointment scheduler. An FAQ responder for common website questions.
Wow, okay. Each of those solves a different problem for a business.
Exactly. Each one is a potential new service, a new revenue stream you can offer.
If you're not just the competitor analysis person, you become the AI automation solution person.
Precisely. And then you can bundle these, create package deals.
Like a combo meal.
Kinda. Imagine a business intelligence package, $800 a month. Includes weekly competitor analysis, monthly review monitoring, maybe bi-weekly social media reports, and price change alerts. More value, higher ticket price.
Or a customer experience package.
Yeah, maybe $600 a month.
Mm-hmm.
Automated FAQ responses, review monitoring, maybe routing customer inquiries, appointment scheduling help.
That shifts the whole conversation. You're selling a comprehensive solution, not just one tool. Justifies the higher price.
And the beauty here is recurring revenue. These agents provide ongoing value month after month.
So focus on monthly contracts, auto-renew.
Definitely. Or offer a slight discount for annual contracts, locks them in, improves your cash flow. And always look for upsell opportunities with existing happy clients.
Hey, you love the competitor reports. How about we automate your review monitoring too?
Exactly. And don't forget referrals. Offer clients an incentive if they refer another business that signs up.
As you grow, though, things can get messy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Managing more clients, more agents.
They can, which is why systematizing is crucial. You need processes.
Oh,
A standard client onboarding checklist or template, quality control steps, maybe you spot check reports periodically, an FAQ doc or quick video tutorials for common client questions, using proper billing tools like Stripe or PayPal for automated invoicing.
Building the infrastructure for growth, not just winging it.
Yeah, it lets you scale without everything falling apart or burning you out. No. What if someone listening is thinking, this sounds great, but direct sales, networking, not really my thing?
Yeah, the introvert-friendly angle. Are there options?
Absolutely. Good news is yes. The value is strong enough you don't have to be a hard-charging salesperson.
Okay, like what?
One approach, content marketing. Attract businesses to you.
How does that work?
Create genuinely useful content. Blog posts, why manual competitor tracking is killing your business. YouTube videos, watch me set up an AI agent to monitor prices in 5 minutes. Social media tips, maybe even offer a simple free checker tool on your website.
So you become the trusted authority, and leads come to you already interested.
Exactly. It's a longer game, but less direct selling. Another option, partnerships.
Partnering with who?
Other businesses that already serve your target market. Web designers, marketing agencies, business consultants, maybe even accountants or lawyers.
Ah, so they offer your service to their clients.
Yep. They leverage their existing relationship and trust. You get access to clients without direct outreach. Maybe offer them a referral fee or commission.
That's smart. Piggybacking on existing trust.
And one more, a bit more advanced. A SaaS-style platform.
SaaS, software as a service.
Yeah. Instead of you building custom agents for each client, you build a platform where businesses can log in, input their own competitor URLs, and configure their monitoring themselves. Self-serve.
Ooh, that sounds scalable. More upfront work, though.
Definitely more upfront work, but potentially much larger scale with less ongoing effort per client once it's built. Okay, regardless of the approach, you need to track if things are actually working, measuring success.
Right. You need metrics.
Yeah.
What should people be looking at?
On the money side, MRR, monthly recurring revenue, your predictable income baseline, CLV, customer lifetime value, how much is each client worth over time, CAC, customer acquisition cost, how much does it cost you to get a new client, and churn rate, what percentage of clients are leaving.
Keeping an eye on the financials is key. What about the operational side?
Good point. Agent uptime, are they running reliably? Report quality, are clients happy with the insights? You can ask them. Response time, how quickly do you handle client questions? And maybe utilization rate, how much of your agent capacity is actively making you money?
Tracking those helps you spot problems and optimize. So let's talk growth targets. What's a realistic timeline?
Okay, rough roadmap. Months 1 to 2. Build and really test that first agent. Aim for maybe 2 or 3 pilot clients, maybe at a discount for feedback.
Get proven concepts.
Months 3, 4. Refine your process based on feedback. Scale up outreach. Aim for, say, 8 to 10 paying clients.
Start building momentum.
Month 5, 6. Focus on those systems we talked about. Onboarding, billing. Aim for 15, 20 clients.
Solidify the foundation.
Month 7, 12. Start expanding your services. Offer that review monitor or social tracker. Grow your client base towards 25, 40 clients.
And the income potential there.
Let's revisit that. 30 clients average $350 a month each. That's $10,500 a month.
Which is about $2,625 a week. Comfortably past that initial $2K goal.
The numbers really do add up if you're consistent and provide value.
Okay, this has been incredibly insightful, but knowledge isn't enough.
Nope. Knowledge without action doesn't pay the bills. So let's give you, the listener, a direct, step-by-step action plan. Things you can do right now.
A clear roadmap. Turn insight into action.
All right, this week, first thing, go sign up for Mind Studio. Install that Chrome extension. It's free. Takes minutes.
Step 1.
Then follow the steps we outlined. Build that first smart competitor analyzer agent. Test it. Seriously, point it at 3 or 4 local business websites. See it work.
Get that aha moment yourself.
Then, record that quick demo video using Loom. Write out your first draft of that outreach email template. And finally, research 10 local businesses in your area that look like good potential fits. That's your homework for this week.
Okay, manageable steps. What about next week?
Next week, send out maybe 5 of those personalized outreach emails. Follow up promptly if you get replies. Offer those free sample reports to anyone who shows interest. Use any feedback to tweak and refine your agent. And finalize your pricing packages.
Taking action, getting feedback, refining.
Your month 1 goals. Have 1 reliably working AI agent. Have a compelling demo video. Land 3 paying clients. have a basic onboarding process figured out, and hit $1,000 plus in monthly recurring revenue.
That feels achievable. It's
Well,
not just about tech. It's building a real asset that solves real problems and generates real income.
absolutely. So we've gone deep today. We've unpacked what AI agents really are, their power,
Walk through building one step by step.
covered strategies to actually sell this service and scale it into a proper business.
The opportunity is definitely real. The demand from small businesses is only going up. And the tools, they're accessible now. Anyone can do this.
Really, anyone, no code required. So the only question left is, when will you start?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to grab this opportunity, build something valuable, create that new income stream, or just let it drift by?
Your future clients are out there right now wishing someone would solve this competitor tracking problem for them.
That someone could genuinely be you. So take that first step today. Go sign up for Mind Studio. Just start.